I'm Henry, one of the professional voices on Avicii Text-to-Speech, a technology that converts text into spoken audio. It can read aloud PDFs, websites, and books using realistic natural human and AI voices. Elevate your content with the ultimate AI voiceover for video creators, built to fit into your creative work. Avicii Text-to-Speech turns text into natural-sounding speech in 600 voices across 80 languages and variants with the power of machine learning technology. Enjoy high-quality free text-to-speech online with our AI voice generator. Use our AI text-to-speech to create realistic voices for games, videos, podcasts, and more. Use our multilingual text-to-speech models to connect with international audiences, bridge language gaps, and unlock opportunities in new territories. With our streaming real-time audio, Avicii TTS provides support for real-time audio streaming using bulk transfer encoding. This means that the audio is able to be played before the full file has been synthesized and made accessible. Our voices are all human-sounding and quality-checked across dozens of parameters. Gone are the days of robotic text-to-speech. Most people can't even tell between our advanced AI voices and recorded human voices. Avicii text-to-audio technology changes the way you create and edit voiceovers with lifelike, flawless AI voices. What used to take hours, weeks, or even months now only takes minutes. Editing voiceover is as simple as editing text. Just cut, copy-paste, and render. So what are you waiting for? Avicii offers 75% off this month and 80% off for students and family sales. Get started today on Avicii Text-to-Speech Studio.